What if tikka wasn't just flavorful, but a rainbow on your plate? Let's create the world's most colorful rainbow paneer tikka. Red Heart Red from beet puree, spiced with chili and cumin, bold and fiery. Orange with carrot puree and paprika, warm, smoky, and sweet. Yellow from golden turmeric, kissed with garlic and lemon, a burst of sunshine. Blue from butterfly, pea flower tea, and green peas puree, subtle, earthy, with a twist of lemon zest. Green with spinach, mint, coriander, and green chili. Purple from red cabbage juice and chaat masala, tangy, zesty, unforgettable. And finally, pure white yogurt peppered with garlic, simple, creamy perfection. 7 marinades, all natural, each color, its own story. From soft and cool to golden and charred, paneer finds its glow on heat. Our journey begins with the star ingredient, paneer. We'll cube it and prepare the thick yogurt base for our marinades. Let's make the perfect paneer tikka marinade. Detailed recipe in description box. The magic happens with our 7 natural color marinades, each crafted from fresh ingredients to give a unique hue and flavor. For a fiery red, we use beet puree, spiced with 2 tablespoons of previously prepared base marination. The bright orange comes from carrot puree, infused with the base marination. Yellow marinade is made with turmeric, yellow food color, and a splash of lemon juice with the base marinade. Achieve a fresh green with blending spinach and mint, brightened by coriander and green chili for a refreshing taste with a touch of base marinade. A captivating blue is created with butterfly pea tea and green peas puree, complemented by lemon zest and a hint of black salt with a touch of base marinade. For a royal purple, we use purple cabbage puree, seasoned with chaat masala and ajwain for an Indian-inspired flavor with a touch of base marinade. And finally, a classic white marinade with plain yogurt, garlic paste, and pepper, for a simple yet delicious base. Now let's get hands-on. We'll coat the paneer and assemble our colorful skewers. Thread them together, a rainbow of flavors on skewers. Onto the grill. Sizzling, smoking, caramelizing into magic. Divide the paneer into 7 bowls, 1 for each color. Coat each portion thoroughly with its respective marinade and chill for 30 to 60 minutes. Grill to perfection, 2 minutes each side. Thread 1 cube of each color onto skewers, creating a beautiful rainbow sequence. Optionally, add bell peppers or onions for extra texture. Enhance your rainbow paneer tikka with delectable dips and drizzles. Consider a zesty mint cilantro chutney, a sweet and tangy tamarind date glaze, or a delicate beet yogurt swirl. For plating, serve your vibrant skewers on a matte black or marble slab. Use mini bowls for dips, color-coded to match the skewers, and garnish with microgreens, edible petals, or puffed amaranth for a stunning presentation. Which color are you biting first? Comment below and subscribe for more food creations every week.